Good morning and welcome to this session of learning success from the book Money, Sex, Power. This book is written by the richest man who ever lived. When you read it, you will be definitely enriched. Today is day 9. We'll read from chapter 9, verse 6. This is a statement said by wisdom to all of us. Now, this is not for a particular group of people, it's for all of us. So, this is for you. It says, leave your foolish actions and live. Many people will not agree that they are fools. Like me, when I was a young man, somebody came to me. She was very polite and she told me that much of my actions are foolish. Of course, she didn't tell I'm a fool. So I was thinking about it. Then when I went home and I was contemplating about this, I understood that much of my actions are wrong. Because it were wrong, it produced no result. It produced a loss. Some decisions made shame. It was all the time a big problem. My decision making was very emotional and very reactive. It was not proactive. It was not deeper in its thinking or anything. That's why it says, leave your foolish actions and live. So my friend, the wisdom is telling each and every one of us, leave your foolish actions. So it is very hard for us to digest if somebody says I'm a fool. But the truth of the matter is, for many of us, the majority of our actions are foolish. Maybe there are some good actions which produces profit and goodness. But majority of what we do produces confusion. That's why many people's life are a bunch of frustration and defeat. Why people are defeated? Why people are frustrated? Why people kill themselves? Why people are so very worried and negative? Because their actions are foolish. That's why it says, leave your foolish actions and live. So when you act, you think whether it is a foolish action or it is an intelligent action. So we should leave foolish actions. Now there is one person whom I know. She was very emotional, very angry and upset. Sometimes she takes important decisions when she is angry. And one day she decided to leave her job. Oh, what an important decision. But it has to be, taken in the right way. But emotionally she left the job. And the whole family went through a crisis in the area of finance. That's why it says, leave your foolish actions and live. And it also says, walk in the path of understanding. It only says leave. It also says walk. Many times people leave something, but they don't know what to hold on. Leaving is very good, but that is only 50%. But after leaving, what you will do? You won't stand there. But you begin to walk in another direction. It says walk in the path of understanding. Now leave your foolish actions and walk in the path of understanding. That means try to come to a place of understanding. Understanding the situation, understanding the problem, understanding your colleagues, understanding your household, your families, understanding the situation. It's very important. You need to walk in understanding. It's a sad thing that many people walk in misunderstanding. There were people who misunderstand. Every action you do, they misunderstand. There are friends who only misunderstand. There are colleagues who only misunderstand. They never try to understand. Sometimes you can be the person who always misunderstands the whole thing. It's the same action. One person understands it, one person misunderstands it. What a tragedy. When you misunderstand the right action as a wrong action, I'll tell you, tragedy will hit you. It's very true. There are so many people. They think all the right people are wrong people. And they think wrong people are right people. What will happen to you? So you have to leave the wrong ways and walk in the right direction. When you couple these two actions together, I'll tell you, your lifestyle will be going to the next level. You will be elevated, you will be promoted, and your life is getting refined and refined and refined. Gradually, you will come to a place where you will only be successful. There is nothing to leave, there is nothing to walk, everything becomes your lifestyle. Thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed today. Let's meet tomorrow, same time. God bless you.